Hello and welcome to this video. I will share with you how to get Credit Agricole IBAN number. So if you want to get your IBAN number, follow me on this video guide. First step, access your account by log in your account, all details here, write your ID. When you log in your account, you will see your dashboard for your account as you can see here. Go to directly this wise website, France IBAN France, as you can see here. From here, write your bank code, your agency code. So for bank code, you can get your bank code. As you can see here, bank code for Credit Agricole. Copy your account number. This is the account number branch code. Copy this one. When you copy this one, paste here, bank code, and then copy your location code or branch code. This is for branch code. From here, copy your account number. This is the account number, friends. Copy this one, paste here. For example, this is account number. Your bank code, for example, this is bank code. Your nationality code, and then click calculate your IBAN. From here, you can get your Credit Agricole IBAN. This is the IBAN with the 23-digit old RIP. You will see looks like this one, as you can see here, looks like this one IBAN. And then you can use to transfer money. So basically, it is easy steps. I hope this guide helped.